DS diving service here at the vessel Hooligan. I did touch it up a little bit. I actually did a pretty good job, but it just wasn't quite as clean as I wanted to see it. But I wanted to get you another video because you do have quite a few blisters, bubbles underneath your paint. So I'm going to go along and show you this. And I'm going to show you the 1 1/4 inch color zinc that I put on. I'm not going to swim every single one of the whole boat, but there's probably about 20 or 30 blisters like that on the boat. So just wanted you to be aware. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.